It looks like candy. Can I eat it?
No! Yay! 47 hours later.
Oh, it got dark out here. So very stuck so the light don't come back on.
There's some special effects.
Oh.
That echoes on Concord.
Wow, look at that big poop.
Wow. That is pretty cool.
I like the way it's curving.
Looks like a rainbow.
We gotta turn on the light so the camera can see it. Is that cool? That's freaking weird.
Not sidewalk.
It's how I arched like that. It looks cool from my eyes, but from the camera's eyes, it's just a big ball of fire. What the hell, Seth? Do you have to flatulate on camera all the time?
Yes. I like flatulation.
Don't get. Jeez, people. I'm never ready. I'm ready now. Shoot on. There's an airplane up there. You can't really see it though. I swear it's up there. See? I told you, there it is. Airplane. Good one, Seth. Kill us all. I got this one. Boom! Well, that was a pissing one. Come on, people, shoot off the good stuff. See that one? There's a tree in the way. Grr. And there's a tree in the way again. Ayo. I wish these people would shoot them not near the tree. That's behind the damn tree.
Want to see fireworks?
What are you doing? Oh.
Fire, it works! Yay!